Miss Shelley here, and I am so glad to see you. Do you know where we are today? Welcome to my backyard. Today, we're gonna do a nature class with lots and lots of describing words. I'm gonna be using my voice and my Prolo Quo core word board and quick communication board to do my talking. Let's see how much fun we can have with our senses. Our eyes, our ears, our nose, our mouths, and our fingers. The first thing that I see outside is the creek. How would you describe the creek? The creek is definitely wet. Is the creek noisy or quiet? I think it's pretty quiet. The creek water is cold. It's colder than the air. And you know what? The creek is dirty. There's a lot of mud inside the creek. You can pause the video now, and what words would you use to describe the creek? All right, friends, let's listen. What do you hear? I hear the birds tweeting. Do you think they're playing? Maybe. The birds are quiet today. Sometimes there's so much noise. They're too noisy. They're too noisy. But today, they're quiet. Your turn. How would you describe the birds? Friends, I want to show you something nice. These flowers are so big. They're called peonies. Look, some are up high and some are down low. I wonder, are the old ones low and the new ones high? I don't know. I'll need to read about it and learn some more. I think that the flower smells really nice and sweet. I like it. It is your turn. How would you describe the peonies? Friends, look at this. This is where the deer eat. They eat. Deer can not shop. Not. They eat breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Here, the deer eat corn. We do not eat their corn. It's special, just for them. Your turn. How would you describe the deer food and deer feeder? Friends, come here and look. That is our fire pit. We like to sit by the fire at night. It keeps us warm. I am going to put my hand on it. What words would you use to describe the firewood? I think that it is dirty. It has ash from the fire on it. It's also really rough. You can pause the video and talk about what words you use to describe the firewood. I need to go wash my hands right now. And now we're all done. I hope you had a good time too. I know I did. See you soon. Bye.